Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to enable dark mode on the DuckDuckGo browser. Whether you're looking to reduce eye strain or just prefer a darker theme, this quick guide has got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, open the DuckDuckGo browser on your device. Once you're in the browser, tap on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the menu. From the menu, scroll down and select Settings. This is where you can customize your browsing experience. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Appearance. Tap on it to open the Appearance settings. Here you'll see the option to enable dark mode. Simply toggle the switch next to dark mode to turn it on. Dark mode isn't just about aesthetics. It can help reduce eye strain, especially when browsed in low-light environments. Plus, it can save battery life on devices with OLED or AMOLED screens. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Got any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.